So that so we are going to learn about the different types of quadrilaterals and its properties. Let's start now. Yes, everybody will see here now. Last day we learned about the different types of quadrilaterals. That is, one is rectangle, and this is the figure of rectangle. And what we can see is opposite sides are equal there, and opposite angles are also equal. Moreover, all the angles are 90 degree. Okay, and this is the special property that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, and all angles of rectangle are also equal. So this is the property of rectangle. Okay, and similarly we can see about the square. This is the figure of a square, and what we can see is, okay, all the angles are 90 degree here also, and moreover you can see here all the sides are also equal. Like you see, in the rectangle, opposite sides are only equal, but here in the square, all the angles, sorry, opposite sides are equal in the rectangle, but here in the square, all the sides are equal. So this is the special feature, character of a square. You have to remember that the very special character or feature of the square. Okay, well, number one is all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So like this, with the help of the special features, okay, we can know the type of the quadrilateral. Or generally what you have to understand is, on the basis of the characters or special features, okay, different name has been given to the quadrilaterals, okay, that we are learning about. Now let's see about the rhombus. Yes, you can see the figure of rhombus here. What we can see, let's see please. Okay, rhombus. Here we have seen some special character. Okay, in a quadrilateral, if all the sides are found exactly equal, see, these are the four sides. Name of this side is AD, name of this side is AB, and name of this side is BC, and this is CD or maybe DC also, no problem. All the sides are equal. And what another property is seen? Opposite angles are also equal. Opposite angles are also equal. This angle, okay, angle B and angle D, these are the opposite angles. They are also equal. Okay, and similarly in the parallelogram, we can see the figure of the parallelogram here. Please look at the figure. Okay, yes, what you can see is opposite sides are equal here. Okay, and other properties, by the with the figure, from the figure you can distinguish opposite. Okay, opposite sides are equal. This 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. If here is 5, then here also 5. Okay, and similarly opposite angles, you know, opposite angles. See, this line AD, okay, is connected with two angles here and here. These are not called the opposite angles. Okay, so one is here and another is that angle B. Okay, these are called opposite angles, and these opposite angles are equal. If here is 70 degree, and suppose we don't know the value of this angle, and here is something variable like x, y, z or something. So what is the value of x? This is 70 degree. It is because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Similarly, here and here are also the same value because these are also the opposite angles of the parallelogram and they are equal. Such property, if such property is found in a quadrilateral, that type of quadrilateral is called parallelogram. Okay, and now let's see. Now let's see. So everyone, please look at here. Find the incorrect statement in case of a rectangle. In case of rectangle, okay. Yes. Are you looking at the screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So first of all, I will read the statements for you. You think of and try to find out whether the statement is correct or not. And if you find any of the statements given here incorrect, you will tell me. Okay. Now let's see. Number first is if all angles of a parallelogram are 90 degree, it is called a rectangle. What do you think? This statement is correct or not? Please speak.
Sir, it is correct.
It is correct, but we have to find out the incorrect statement. Very good, thank you.
Yes.
Next, please read everyone this statement. Hello, hello.
Sir, there is no screen only.
There is no screen now.
Able to see the screen.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm
There is no
sorry.
share screen.
Wait, I'll manage. Yes, now let's say everyone find the incorrect statement in case of the rectangle. The statements are given here. First is if all the angles of a parallelogram are 90 degree, it is called a rectangle. What do you think? Please speak everyone.
True. Sir, it is correct.
Correct one.
That's true.
Very good. This is the correct one, but we have to find out the incorrect statement. So let's see everyone. Please read this second statement.
Sir, this is incorrect. All sides
All sides of a
Sides
rectangle
of a
must be
rectangle
equal.
must be equal.
Incorrect.
False.
Yes.
false.
It is
False. Sir,
Sir,
that
this
is
is
incorrect statement.
Incorrect.
okay. Wait.
This is
All
incorrect.
sides of a rectangle must be equal, but by the property
Incorrect.
of the rectangle, we have learned that opposite sides are only equal,
Sides.
not all the sides. So
Opposite sides
must be
only.
incorrect.
Opposite sides are equal.
Okay, very good. And this must be incorrect, but wait for a while. Next is diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Yes, this is also the correct. This is also the
Yes.
correct. And diagonals of a rectangle each other, bisect each other, right? Please bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other means
Okay,
half,
sir.
half. Okay, so we found that one of the statements is all. Which one you told me? Please tell me again. This one.
All sides of a rectangle must be equal.
Sir,
Side
all
of
sides of a
rectangle
rectangle
must be equal.
Okay, you think that this statement, all sides of a rectangle must be equal. This statement must be incorrect. But I will ask my computer whether my student's answer is correct or not. Hello, my computer, please give reaction whether this answer is correct or not. It means this is incorrect statement, and our students, my student's answer is correct or not. Please, computer. Yes, correct. Come on, clap, everyone. No clapping, please. Okay, thank you. Now, next question. Please read this statements. Again, incorrect statement you have to find out.
Find the incorrect statement in the case of
Incorrect statement in case of
angles of
all angles
parallelogram
of parallelogram
are
are
90 degree. All the sides
all
are
sides
unequal,
are
and
unequal,
then
then it is square.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
I hope.
Incorrect.
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 So I hope.
False.
First is
all-
First is incorrect.
first.
Okay, please stop. I hope all of you will open your camera and participate nicely. So here are some statements. If all angles of a parallelogram are 90 degree and all sides are unequal means not equal, then it is a square. If not equal, then how it
Or
can?
false.
No, no. We have already learned about the properties of the square. Yes, so by the properties, we know that this statement is not correct.
Incorrect.
This is the incorrect. Yes. Now let's see if there are other incorrect statements. Please read this, everyone.
All
All
sides
the
of a square are equal.
All
equal.
sides of a square are
What do
equal.
you think? Correct or
True.
incorrect?
True.
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 This is the correct one. Next, please.
Diagonal
All
of
sides of a square are equal.
Are equal.
Yes. What do you think? This is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
correct.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Next one, please.
Diagonals of
Diagonal
a
Sides of a
square
square
bisect
bisect
each
each
other.
other. True. This is also true.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm asking you to read the statement and give the reaction, but some of you are still muted here and not giving reaction. Please maintain. Please maintain. Okay, it is for you. You are studying for yourself, not for me. Okay, now, yes. So, which one is the incorrect statement according to you?
First
First one.
One.
Are you sure this first statement is incorrect?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will ask my
All
computer.
the
Hello,
impossible.
hello, computer. Hello, Mr. Computer. Please give reaction whether my student's answer is correct or not. Yes, click. Yes, come on, good, correct answer. Come on, give a clap, everyone. Hello, 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 give a clap. Hey, once more, clapping, please, clapping. Yes, good, very good. Thank you very much. Next, please. Who will find the incorrect statement fast? Come on, try yourself.
Basically, all the sides of parallelogram can be equal. All the sides of parallelogram must be equal. The last one.
Last one.
The last one is
The last
incorrect.
Last one.
Correct one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Last one.
see. Hello, computer, Mr. Computer. Yes, right answer, correct.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Okay, very good. Yes, next one. We'll find first, please. Come on, try.
Sides and slides of what?
Numbers must bisect each other.
Last one.
Diagonals of rhombus.
Last one.
The last one.
Last one.
Very good, very good. But
The last one.
very good
Last one,
answer.
sir.
Very good participation and very good answer. But what my computer says, correct or not? Hello. Yes.
Last one.
Yes. Good. Very good. Okay. So
Find the answer.
yes, thank you very much for your nice participation. Hello. If you have any question, please ask me.
No, sir.
So everyone will see here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Wait.